Welcome to my channel, Mainframe Concepts, where we talk about mainframe concepts. Today, I will show you how you can edit your source code using your favorite text editor. Then submit your job and view the results without using ISPF on the mainframe. To start, we will look at the devices controlled by JES2. We see the various devices: readers, printers, and card punchers, as well as remote JES2 terminals. For our discussion, we will be interested in readers and printers. There are two readers defined. We will use reader 2 for our discussion today. When we look at the devices defined and attached to our machine, we see two devices, 00C and 10C. 00C starts when it receives a TCP/IP message on a specific port. When 10C is activated, it reads the file specified in the command and submits whatever is in that file. We will first submit a job from ISPF to give us an idea of what to expect from the job. This will be a simple Hello World program in COBOL. We have used this program before in one of our videos. I will include a link to the video in the description below. Now that we have submitted the job, we see that it was initiated, started, and ended. Let's check the results. There is the resulting JCL, the compile results, the results from the link edit step, and finally the Hello World that was printed out. We now copy this same code and paste it to a text editor. For the output to be accessible outside the mainframe, we change the message class. We save the file. And go to the console and start the 10C reader and specify the file it is to read by issuing the attach command. As we can see, the job was on reader 2, which submitted it. The job is initiated and has ended. One thing about this job is the output is printed on printer 1. This makes the file accessible outside the mainframe. Now, let's look at the output, which is printed in printer 2, which is prt00e.txt in the MVS/prt directory. Display the content of prt00e.txt. We scroll to the top and see the entire output. The job name is COBOL 1 and job number 180. The second part of this video uses a Perl script that sends commands to the Hercules console through a web request. Hercules allows a web browser to display the contents of the console and also to send requests to the console through the web browser. We will execute the Perl script to send the commands to Hercules to start the reader to submit the job. Here is the attach command. You can see that the file was read by the reader and initiated. The job started, executed, and ended. The entire job is printed. You can see the results in the command line window. This is the output of the job. The program and also the Hello World string printed. There you have it. This is another way of working on the mainframe without a 3270 terminal. I have a previous video that present another way of doing this, but by submitting a job via FTP. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Feel free to let me know what other topics you want me to produce. Thanks for watching and may God bless you.